Hey friends, if you wish to fix common file system errors in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first one is to scan for malware on your system, and it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open the malware removal tool. Okay, click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it scan through. The next solution is to update all drivers, and I'll tell you the best way to do that. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on advanced options, select optional updates, and then you can install them. The third solution is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all the boxes here. And then click on OK and then finally select delete files. The next solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next, choose a good restore point. Click on next and then finally click on finish and then finally on yes. And the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.